Help me! What do I do with my hands? Stiff, robotic gestures aren't just boring, they make people distrust you. It looks like you're hiding what you actually think. And the biggest culprit is scripted delivery, where your fancy gestures creepily follow every single syllable. So how do we fix this and get your natural, sincere gestures that actually build your trust? Bullet points. This is so much better. When you're reading a word-for-word script, your body and mind is following instructions for everything, and that's why you end up with your gestures on every single syllable. It's unnatural. It's nothing like what we do in conversations. We can, though, immediately make your gestures start to feel natural by delivering off of bullet points. Now, you don't have to go that far. I know that's a heavy lift if you love the precision that come from scripts, but just do it for only one line, and you can get a lot of effect for your entire presentation. The key is which line. Do this after your introduction, the very first line after that. First line of your first segment. Do it as a bullet point, memorize it if you have to, whatever works for you, but this will immediately give you just one spot of comfortable, free gestures. This will loosen you up, and you'll actually seem a little bit more natural with all of your scripted gestures through the rest of the presentation. But most importantly, it uses this impact trick that makes the first thing to happen wildly spread into the rest of your presentation's impression. You do this in your first line, and the people in the audience will go, "Oh, man, this guy actually believes what he's saying. Oh, okay, he looks like he's a little nervous now, but I get nervous too. I kind of relate to this guy." Powerful. Now that you're building trust with your gestures, you're going to want to do the same thing with your on-camera eye contact. So in this video, I'll show you how to avoid the stare of death and have natural, trust-building eye contact when on camera.